Lexicography is divided into two separate but equally important groups. Practical lexicography is the art or craft of compiling, writing and editing dictionaries. Theoretical lexicography is the scholarly discipline of analyzing and describing the semantic, syntagmatic and paradigmatic relationships within the lexicon of a language, developing theories of dictionary components and structures linking the data in dictionaries, the needs for information by users in specific types of situations, and how users may best access the data incorporated in printed and electronic dictionaries. This is sometimes referred to as metalexicography. There is some disagreement on the definition of lexicology, as distinct from lexicography. Some use lexicology as a synonym for theoretical lexicography, others use it to mean a branch of linguistics pertaining to the inventory of words in a particular language. A person devoted to lexicography is called a lexicographer. Focus. General lexicography focuses on the design, compilation, use and evaluation of general dictionaries, i.e., dictionaries that provide a description of the language in general use. Such a dictionary is usually called a general dictionary or LGP dictionary. Specialized lexicography focuses on the design, compilation, use and evaluation of specialized dictionaries, i.e., dictionaries that are devoted to a set of linguistic and factual elements of one or more specialist subject fields, e.g., legal lexicography. Such a dictionary is usually called a specialized dictionary, a language for specific purposes dictionary, and following Nielsen 1994. Specialized dictionaries are either multi-field, single-field or subfield dictionaries. It is now widely accepted that lexicography is a scholarly discipline in its own right and not a sub-branch of applied linguistics, as the chief object of study in lexicography is the dictionary. Etymology. Coined in English 1680, the word lexicography derives from the Greek lambda epsilon chi iota kappa omicron gamma rho alpha phi omicron sigma lexicographos, lexicographer, from lambda epsilon chi iota kappa omicron nu lexicon, newt, of lambda epsilon chi iota kappa omicron sigma lexikos, over for words, from lambda epsilon chi iota of sigma lexis, speech, word, and gamma rho alpha phi megagrapho, to scratch, to inscribe, to write. Aspects. Practical lexicographic work involves several activities, and the compilation of well-crafted dictionaries require careful consideration of all or some of the following aspects: profiling the intended users and identifying their needs, defining the communicative and cognitive functions of the dictionary, selecting and organizing the components of the dictionary, choosing the appropriate structures for presenting the data in the dictionary, selecting words and affixes for systematization as entries, selecting collocations, phrases and examples, choosing lemma forms for each word or part of word to be lemmatized, defining words, organizing definitions, specifying pronunciations of words, labeling definitions and pronunciations for register and dialect where appropriate, selecting equivalents in bi- and multilingual dictionaries, translating collocations, phrases and examples in bi- and multilingual dictionaries, designing the best way in which users can access the data in printed and electronic dictionaries. One important goal of lexicography is to keep the lexicographic information costs incurred by dictionary users as low as possible. Nielsen suggests relevant aspects for lexicographers to consider when making dictionaries, as they all affect the user's impression and actual use. If specific dictionaries, theoretical lexicography concerns the same aspects as lexicography, but aims to develop principles that can improve the quality of future dictionaries. For instance, in terms of access to data and lexicographic information costs. Several perspectives or branches of such academic dictionary research have been distinguished: dictionary criticism, dictionary history, dictionary typology, dictionary structure, dictionary use, and dictionary IT. One important consideration is the status of bilingual lexicography, or the compilation and use of the bilingual dictionary in all its aspects. In spite of a relatively long history of this type of dictionary, it is often said to be less developed in a number of respects than its unilingual counterpart, especially in cases where one of the languages involved is not a major language. Not all genres of reference works are available in interlingual versions, e.g., LSP, learners and encyclopedic types, although sometimes these challenges produce new subtypes, e.g., semi-bilingual or bilingualized dictionaries such as Hornby's Advanced Learner's Dictionary English-Chinese, which have been developed by translating existing monolingual dictionaries.